ZeroGPT AI is a brand new AI software that has just been released, and in this review, I'm going to break down 7 crucial things you need to know about it. Whether you're a business owner, marketer, or just someone looking to explore the latest in AI, this software is something you'll want to consider. And stick around until the end, because I'll be sharing how you can try this out for completely free, and trust me, you won't want to miss it. First things first, ZeroGPT AI is designed to give users an intuitive experience with natural language processing. If you've used other AI tools before, you'll immediately notice how smoothly this software works right out of the gate. It's built to save you time by automating tasks like content generation, copywriting, and even handling customer service queries. What makes ZeroGPT stand out is its ability to understand context more efficiently, which means the output is more relevant, more human-like, and less robotic. One of the biggest highlights of ZeroGPT AI is how user-friendly it is. Even if you're new to the world of AI tools, you won't feel overwhelmed. The interface is sleek, simple, and designed for easy navigation. You don't need to be a tech expert to start using it. Whether you're generating marketing copy, creating social media posts, or writing articles, ZeroGPT does the heavy lifting. It can quickly come up with content suggestions that fit your brand tone and style, saving you hours on content creation. But what really impressed me is how well it handles different content formats. With ZeroGPT, you're not just getting a tool for blog posts. It excels at producing product descriptions, email templates, social media captions, and even long-form pieces. The software is smart enough to know what you're asking for and provides results tailored to your needs. This versatility makes it a fantastic choice for marketers who need a one-stop shop for content creation. Now, I've reviewed hundreds of AI tools, and a common pain point is how rigid many of them are with their outputs. But with ZeroGPT, it's clear that they've focused on providing flexibility. You can tweak the results, fine-tune your settings, and train the software to match your specific requirements. This is especially valuable for businesses that want a consistent brand voice across all their content. Another feature that sets ZeroGPT apart is its scalability. Whether you're a small business owner or a large enterprise, this AI tool is designed to grow with you. The subscription options are tailored to meet different needs, and as your company expands, you can easily scale up your usage without worrying about limitations. The real kicker with ZeroGPT, however, is its speed. You're probably familiar with AI tools that take forever to generate content or responses. ZeroGPT, on the other hand, delivers results in a fraction of the time compared to competitors. This makes it ideal for high-volume businesses or anyone who needs to work quickly without compromising on quality. Now, let's talk about the elephant in the room, accuracy. You don't want to rely on AI that's just going to churn out generic, half-baked responses. ZeroGPT ensures that its outputs are not only high quality, but highly accurate as well. It's trained on vast data sources to make sure that the content it generates is not only grammatically correct, but contextually relevant. Lastly, you can try ZeroGPT AI completely free. Yes, you heard that right. From the first link below, you can sign up and test it out with no risk involved. This is a game changer for anyone who's been on the fence about jumping into AI software. So, if you're in the market for a tool that will streamline your content creation process, improve your marketing output, and save you hours each week, ZeroGPT AI is definitely worth checking out. And don't forget, I've got my recommended AI tools listed in the description for you to try for free, after testing out thousands of AI softwares myself. Make sure to check them out and let me know what you think in the comments.